Vybz Kartel finally releases new diss track aiming at Alkaline titled Closed Casket, throwing all kinds of vicious blows at the vendetta done without calling his name. The song has been long anticipated as a short preview was released a couple days ago bearing the name Gaza Badness. I want to say present good evening to all of my viewers, all of my subscribers them. Now I know I'm used to that channel for some funny videos, Vine videos to be exact. But I want to make the channel more versatile now, so I want to try to tap into the dancehall news and reviews something here. Zine, so just go down to the subscription, in the comment box, go down to the comment box. Why? No go down, bad man no go. Just go to the comment box and make me know what to think about them reviews something. If you don't want me to do more or if I stop because I can't speak very eloquently and fluently, and just make me know say yo don't do no more, you know sound good. You know sound like you know you talk or sound like you know you do. Zine? But with that being said, look, we jump into that song I want to see now the title. Yeah? Vybz Kartel know this track aimed at Alkaline called Closed Casket. You teach her for your bag of shot in the song. A bag of shot. I tell you, say, this is the song that come like a class song to me. Come like it's a murder, like Kartel is a speak in mind of some things we probably do already or some things we just are dying for do. You see me I say? So with that being said, I could jump right in the track, word for word. What me get from it when me listen to it and write it out to myself. Tonight, the teacher said, you know them boy they were big and fool from them a go to school, never broke a rule, never broke a fight, never burn a spliff, snitching at the class, everybody ate, never fuck a girl till them graduate. So the teacher pretty much say, yo, Alkaline is nothing but a... Back in the days, the teacher pretty much say when Alkaline a go to school, you know, big and fool, now do no crime, now tax no boy and them things. You see me I say? Big and fool, snitching at the class, you know, when they go to school and back in the days and the teacher step out of the class and find one snitching at the class and say, yo, anybody chat, anybody talk or get up out of them seat. When I gone, when I come back, you tell me, cool? And the teacher step out and come back and him jump up. And I point out, miss, him move. The teacher say, Alkaline is that kind of a man when him in high school. Cool? Never fuck a girl till him graduate. So you know, so that I kind of counteract the song with Alkaline do. I say, yo, them man on no girl is for me. That did aim at Kartel too. So that line, I threw bullets at that the song with Alkaline do back in the day. In 2016. But yeah, then him say, get a little hype, make a little fool, buy a couple tool, get a couple fool. That not make you bad. You're still a nerd, knock you with the mag. So the spinners work, salt spring of earth, boy body dead. So that everybody knows the Alkaline at now. So the teacher pretty much say, yo, through your hat, you know, make a little money now and buy Benz and sitting. Him buy a couple gun, get a couple boy around him. I know him feel like a dad, him feel like him bad. So the teacher say, yo, that's not nothing you, you're still little. You see me? Him a go knock you with the maga, so the spinners work. Boy body dead and all them little friend them and him family are Salt Spring of the earth. Pretty much straightforward. That no need an explanation. Yeah. Then the teacher go on to say, ball in your dream for the cougar, make your wake up back 365, chop off your head like cane cutter. Any boy me dog them in a Spain gopher. Anyway, board them up like plate cover. So you know say that speaks itself. Everybody knows that teacher have him dog them a Spain. And him pretty much make Alkaline know say some mad dog him a power with. And anyway, then we come for you. And then we chop off your head, 365 which is a gun, chop off your head like plane cutter, bore you up like plate cover. Alright, that explains itself. That don't need much explanation. Now, next line. The teacher said, no matter how much time me stuff it in your chest, if me not clap it in your head, me still not feel good. Bird shit in your mouth. The eagle bury some of them and left them on street too. Left some on street. So that's itself. The teacher make you know so no matter how much shot him fire in your chest, in your hand, in your foot, in your leg, no matter what, you not feel good until him push the nozzle in your mouth and squeeze off one. Now the part where him say, bird shit in your mouth, the eagle. Everybody must know the gun of them called desert eagle. So when him say bird shit in your mouth, him attack the desert eagle, him push it in your mouth and him squeeze off one and the shit would have be the bullet. Cool? Alright, next line. The teacher go on to say, pussy you well wanted, talk it practice, bring any warhead, parted skull crack. Scarleg, me face white like tourist ass Ed Bartlett. Your mama ball out, me see your cartel, me a tell. So you know say, the first part speaks for itself, so we go down to the part of them say, me face white like tourist ass Ed Bartlett. Now everybody knows that Ed Bartlett are the tourist minister now, so you know say, tourist minister, see all the tourists, white people, put 2 and 2 together. So when you see the line and the rhyme they come in. Yeah? Then the sick part now, the part where the man say, your mama ball out, me see your cartel, me I tell. If when you listen to the song, the part of the song for me kinda sound sick. The voice of the music are kinda sound sick. Yeah? Alright. Now for the chorus, the part are pretty much the chorus. No face no dead, no mouth no dead, no eye no dead, no teeth no dead, close casket, close casket, close casket, close casket. So you know say, man I make Alkaline know say. Them a kill him, him a mash up the whole of him face. Him a empty all 5, 6, 7 clip in him face. No mouth, no teeth, no eye, no nothing. Close casket them. If them open the casket, they just gonna probably see a headless body. Yeah? No face, no nothing. Them a look straight in them head back. Them can't tell a owner the casket. So it don't make no sense. Close casket, close casket. Yeah? Nobody now rush you go public. Boy pronounce dead pan spot quick. Close casket, close casket. Close casket, close casket. Now, verse 2. Teacher say, forehead crackhead like windscreen bulletproof can't stop man 16. Be peace like big deal. Be a shallow grave in the hill one fit theme. Again, this will speak for itself. Forehead crack like windscreen. You know when you throw when bullet lick windscreen and you crack up or you fling a stone in a windscreen. Your baby mother mad at you. She fling a stone in your windscreen, crack up. So him say I go crack up Alkaline forehead. Cool? He must say bulletproof can't stop him 16. Now everybody know they gun M16. Please have some of them soldiers, have some of them too. Walk up and down on the road. You see it every day. They must say bulletproof can't tap in 16. So if Alkaline run out in a bulletproof, that still can't save him. Yeah? 3-piece like big deal. That part is sick now, you know. 3-piece, big deal, KFC. They buy your original or your barbecue or whatever 3-piece. They must say beer, shallow grave. Everybody know shallow grave. Them just the grave no concrete now, no block now in there. Them just dig a hole, fling the body in there, cover that. That's what them call shallow grave. So man say yo. Whole heap of shallow grave in the hills, 1 feet field. Yeah? Next paragraph of the verse now. Set it yes, wetted, wet him chest, take him where man did a boss said him there prep better than dig out him windpipe, wreck him neck, with your dung underneath, me crepe him set. Now you see the part where the man said, better than dig out windpipe, wreck him neck. I want to think about that. Think about a humble and another humble that. I'd say a 3-star, because everybody knows that a Jamaica popular bad man knife. With a 3-star and just a dig out the windpipe or cruel and gruesome that be. So if your man say they're gonna mess them things, you know how dark the man be cartel and murder right here. Next line. You will one D, target practice start, bring any warhead, parthead, skull crack, scar leg, me face white like tourist, ask Ed Bartlett. Some part, me review that part there already over in the first verse. So yeah, so people may make you know say the teacher go hard in that song, the man deal with that song like it's a the teacher not deal with that song like it is a class song. The teacher deal with that song like him pretty much a tell Alkaline I'm gonna kill him. The man deal with this song like a murderer. The man just come tell Alkaline straight up say youth. Him not call him name, but everybody knows say you're Alkaline him attack based on the lyrics as me tell you now a while ago it go. Or what me get from it at least. So the big thing is now, is Alkaline the big thing is now Alkaline I got answer him. Cause everybody see him run out with microwave and deal with popcorn. Crabbish. Now, can he do that with Kartel? I wonder if he can deal with Kartel, so. So now, we just go and kick back, wait and see what Alkaline have to say. They don't know the whole streets, the whole world want Alkaline answer back and kick off the word really, so you make the teacher drop something again. Everybody knows a teacher are the warlord next to Bounty Killer. I don't know if I say two of them name in a 1-9. But everybody knows that when it comes to clashing, Kartel not play. Them man the lyrics come like a gunshot itself. Live ammunition. Look, you see what go on now. Anyways, it's your boy Canil. Remember, like, subscribe and share. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more videos like them, yeah? Or if me just stop and not do no more after this cause me no sound good. Or me no know me a talk about. Or me no put the thing together good. See me I say? But until next time, peace.